I keep staring at this one, so I think we'll do this one tonight. Okay, I kink it off there. A little extra. If you know that what you're setting is fragile, like a shell or a stone that just has a lot of inclusions or something, make your frame a smidgen bigger. Matching these up properly. Okay, I'm just meeting up my angles. It's so much easier to shape your frame once it's soldered. So I just get kind of a basic idea. Just bridging that little gap. There we go. Okay, top looks good, but I have to elongate this bit of the leg. That's how much bend is in my shell, but it all works out. So now I have my just floppy little frame, and that will just sit in there. That'll follow the shape really easily. All right, let's get some solder in there. Time to clean this up a bit before we set it. We're going to do our north, south, east, west business. Pull back a little bit. But we're especially doing north, south because these are our, this has the least amount of metal pushing over. So we need to make sure those are secure first. There we are with what is either the front or the back. It's very dusty right now, so don't mind the buffing compound and stuff on it. But that is the minimal. And then, oop, my hand just cramped up again. Yes, I had a death grip on this thing. But that is the frame side. So, two very different looks, but very cool. So that is the minimal side. Really awesome light greenish blue transitions. And then the frame side, which is a lot deeper and has that kind of like almost like leopard spot kind of pattern going on. But there we go.